Hey, welcome to Otter HB. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to do a campground review. Janine and I are here at Huntington Beach RV Campground in the city of Huntington Beach. It's located kind of right between Main Street and Beach Boulevard. It's kind of right on the beach. The sand's right here. There's a walkway. We're in a parking lot, but we've got hookups. When I say hookups, we got water and electricity. There are right at 50 sites, half right against the rail, front row, the other half in the middle for a bigger. Front accommodates up to right at 30 feet. Middle row accommodates up to 45 feet. 50 sites. It's a nice campground. We're in Huntington Beach. The site is open from beginning of September till the end of May. It's closed during the summer months. Welcome to Huntington Beach in the summer. We're just busy. Gorgeous campground. There's a ton to do around us. We're at the beach. We're walking distance to Main Street. We have gorgeous hotels right behind us. Tons of eating, drinking, and everything right around you. So it's one of those campsites that if you want to cook, you could cook. If you don't want to cook, there's just so much to eat around you. But let's go take a walk. I'll walk you through the campsite, kind of give you an idea of what the sites are, and hope you enjoy. Let's go. Okay, so let me take you on a walk. This is kind of where we're at. Huntington Beach Pier is right here. Main Street right there. Campground kind of starts, not kinda, it starts right here where we're at. If you look behind me, there's Pacific City, Paseo Hotel right behind it, the Hilton Hotel right behind it, the Hyatt Hotel. So there are a lot of major hotels right around us which have a lot of amenities as far as restaurants and bars go. Downtown Huntington Beach is right there within walking distance in the Pacific Ocean. So as far as what there is to do around here, just a lot. And the nice thing is you don't have to do any of it. Stay at your RV and enjoy. Here we have front row, and then down the center we have all the center row. The center is kind of a pull-through site. Pretty big, nice, spacious. I've stayed in the center and it actually is pretty cozy. As I've already said, as far as the campground itself, it's open I think September 3rd to May 31st. Closed during the summer, so it's got a decent season. The rates are online. I'll put the link down below. The link is Huntington Beach RV Campground. They have all the rates and the rules online. Check-in time 2 o'clock. Check-out time is 12 o'clock. So it's all the normal, nothing weird, nothing out of line. Same thing with the rates. You look at the rates, they're all about the same as we're used to paying everywhere else. So go to the site, check the rates, check the rules. Front row sites are pretty awesome though. It is what I always try to get. One of the neat things they have done here now is we have stairs going down to the beach. But as you look at the site map, like site 10 is next to stairs, but they've blocked out this rather large part between the site, so the stairs. So if you have one of the sites right next to the stairs, you still have all this open space that no one's going to pull in right next to you. So if you're looking for a little bit larger, more room on a site, there you go. Just understand that you're going to get people coming and going right next to your side all the time. Front row accommodates up to 30 foot from what they say. Back row or middle row is 25 or 45. Back row or middle row considered 45 foot in length. So those your size, accommodate, you know, some pretty big rigs. Nice thing with the middle sites, because they're pull through, if you have friends you're going with and you book two sites next to each other, one's parking this way, one's parking that way, and you're facing each other, so now you have a huge site. You see a lot of that. Sometimes you see them booking three sites next to each other and then a big middle one. As far as hookups go, we have water and electricity. Sites have 30 and 50 amp. And then there's no sewage, but down on the end there is a dump station. So as you leave, there is a nice dump station at the end. Understand there's usually a pretty good line too, so, but that's just kind of the norm. So there's kind of a walk down the middle. Dump station's right over here behind me, other side of that motorhome. I'll walk you down in front. I'll walk you down in front now, kind of give you a view what it looks like walking by the front of the campground and what you're looking at. And here's kind of what it looks like if you're walking on the path right in front. So there you go. Thanks for joining me today. Huntington Beach RV Campground. It's been a fun campground review. If you enjoyed, make sure you go down to the bottom, hit subscribe, go to the channel, watch some videos. I've got hundreds of videos out there, from campground reviews to fishing, camping, cooking, little bit of everything. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.